Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy, see what the heck is going on. Take a resonate, leave with this not. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Y'all, before this reading, I was thinking about Finesse Two Town. He was like, canned murk, potted murk. Somebody lived that struggle, huh? You had to let me know as soon as you walk in, like, hey, the struggle was real when I was growing up. I'm one of them ones. I hear you. I hear you. Let's see what y'all got going on, though. What's going on? What's happening? You one of them ones. You said, I lived that life. I lived that life. Somebody definitely lived an urban life, you know. I'm saying dead peacocks. Hold up now. This could talk about a transformation, you guys, with these dead peacocks. But you know, peacocks also speak of protection, you know, because of the eyes that are on the wings. But I'm also seeing here the death. Okay, let me say the death of one's ego. You or someone else is putting their pride and ego to the side. Someone's going through an ego death. Potted murk. Canned murk. Spirit, maybe I'm thinking about someone in childhood could have possibly lived that life as a child. Somebody could possibly be living that life now, the struggle life. I don't know what somebody done did, but somebody definitely going through an ego death. Spirit is humbling somebody as we speak. That's what I'm saying here with this dead peacocks. That's what I'm saying. I don't know. And like again, like I said, somebody got protection over them. Somebody has a protection over them, and they came up against the wrong one, and now they over there you having you powder murk, canned murk, or something like that. Let's go and clarify these dead. Well, I want to say Dead Presidents. The movie Dead Presidents. Yeah, I don't know if somebody's seen. If y'all seen that movie where he was like robbing a bank. Somebody wants to rob. Somebody been thinking about robbing a bank. They feel like they need to get out of the situation that they're in so daggone bad that they feel like they possibly want to rob a bank. A robber. Okay, this could also talk about whoever this person is might have stolen from you, stolen money from you or something before, or your children. Clarify this dead peacock. What do we need to know? That's too many, spirit. What do we need to know in regards to these dead peacocks? Hmm. Dead peacocks. One more. Dead peacocks. Okay. All right. So there's an energy of self-care. Spirit wants one to have take care of yourself, your energy, your mind, body, and spirit. It looked like there's an energy of growth here. I feel like things are growing for you guys going into the summer months. I'm seeing happiness here with the sun card here. All right. I'm seeing you guys being a lot more guarded. I'm seeing energy of you guys being a lot more, I want to say a lot more vulnerable. You know, your guard, it's like you're not as closed off as you probably used to be. Is what I'm seeing here. Trust, trust in the process. Things are happening in divine timing from what I'm seeing here. Let's go ahead and get into the Hermit Tarot. But yeah, somebody is definitely going through an ego death while you guys are leveling up or having growth going into the summer. All right. It's like an energy of you guys stepping out of hermit mode, and whoever this person is, they gone into hermit mode because of this humbling experience that they could possibly be experiencing right now. Okay. Clarify what's going on. What else we need to know in regards to one map? What else do we need to know? One more. Gratitude. All right. I lie awake thinking about our future. All right. I just want you all the time, and you have so many choices and options. So it seems like you have whoever this person is that's going through this humbling experience or this divine intervention. It seems like they had you. They're watching you. 486 could. I do apologize. 486 could definitely be significant. So this person sits up and think about you, and they still want you around. Or it's like they still. I just want you all the time. This is someone that you're no longer connected to. And it's like an energy of nostalgia, like this person is playing back or replaying memories in their head. But like I stated, they're watching you because they see that you have so many choices and options. Like, as I stated before, there's an energy of growth here, energy of happiness here for you guys. And all spirit want you to do is go through this energy of self-care, love on yourself, heal yourself, call back your energy and power from every person, place, or thing, past, present, and future. Call all that energy back. Focusing on loving on yourself, healing yourself. Because I feel like whoever this person is, they put you in a predicament where you were very guarded, which you were not supposed to be. Because I feel like you approach this person in a very vulnerable state. I don't know. It's like an energy of you guys giving them a chance or something like that, and they took total advantage of it. So they shouldn't worry about how many chances and options or choices you have. It's none of their concern. They need to be worrying about, you know, learning their lesson through this divine intervention. Okay? Anything else? Anything else? With them watching you, that's probably where they were having to put their pride. They're gonna have to put their pride and ego to the side to do whatever they need to do. It seems like they brought a lot of conflict. It was like a conflict, arguing, fighting, fussing, fighting. It like there was some sort of disagreement here. Because with the five of wands, I'm definitely seeing an energy of some sort of fight. Okay? And spirit said you definitely endured a whole lot with dealing with this person, and things are coming into fruition for you. With dealing with whoever this energy is that was very hasty. I'm seeing an energy of going back and forth, all right, with whoever this person is, having to debate. This energy is very competitive. I'm seeing there's energy of betrayal here. They deceived you, lied to you, cheated on you, or something like that with the Seven of Swords. And I see you guys moving abroad. There's the energy of moving abroad. This is almost like energy of you guys make possibly investing a lot of time, money, or energy into something, nurturing something. There's an energy of you persevering. I see you guys planning or have been planning because I see with this foresight, I'm seeing you forward planning to move forward. There's energy of self-confidence, self-belief, and freedom. And you being happy in the end in regards to the choices that you've made as well as the outcome. This is like an energy of your hard work paying off. Your hard work paying off. Yeah, because we got the chariot card. Clarifying this how this Knight of Wands is a chariot where you guys overcome whatever obstacle this is. There's an energy of you guys having a victory due to your determination, due to your strong determination of wanting to get out of this situation with whoever this is. They may have possibly used to put you down for what I'm seeing here. And spirit is as they was putting you down. Come here, Mona Leo, putting you down. Putting you on. They putting you down. The Most High putting you on. That's what it feel like. Okay. Yeah, they was only focused on their own happiness, their own fulfillment. Clarifying the Seven of Swords, it's the Nine of Cups. They were focusing on themselves. They were taking from you, possibly giving it to someone else. That's what I'm seeing here. And I see with this foresight, your foresight is you're focusing on a new beginning, focusing on a new relationship, romance, joy. Okay. Focusing on wanting to be happy. Oh my goodness, they don't want it to come out. What else do we need to know? Okay. Aries could be significant. Strong Aries energy could definitely be significant. Anything else? With this King of Wands, all right? And I'm seeing an energy of somebody being restricted or possibly feeling restricted, possibly feeling stuck, all right? I see that there's a water sign here. Cancer could be significant. This could speak of emotion, all right, as well. With yeah, this is almost like an energy of this water sign, this Cancer, strong Cancer energy, possibly felt stuck or restricted. You could have been married to this person or in a long-term relationship or have children with them, but I'm seeing you having an unexpected financial windfall of money coming in. I'm seeing an energy of happiness here with the Sun card. I know that's right. Look, Empress. Yep, they was putting you down. The Most High is putting you on. I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell you. Okay? I'm seeing a masculine and a feminine energy here. What's going on? Yeah, because it's almost like a benevolent energies. There's benevolent energies here that's assisting or supporting with, you know, making sure you have whatever you need. All right. And I'm also showing that you have like a divine mate here. Somebody's here in the spirit. You got like a soul mate, a divine mate, or something like that. Okay. I see your boundaries up. They watching s- with the Page of Swords. I'm seeing an energy of you having you standing your ground. Like as I stated, as you receiving generosity, assistance, and things like that, I'm seeing you having to make a major choice, especially when it came to this individual or come to an individual that's in your energy, that's going through this ego death. But again, I see you guys like placing some sort of boundaries or something like that. I don't know if you're blocking whoever this person is out or something like that, but nonetheless, I'm definitely seeing that you have some sort of boundary set with whoever this person is. They're coming out as the devil. They're very toxic. This person has definitely strong ego issues. It seems like they have issues with obsession, dependency. There's energy of bondage here. And you have the temperance angel here that's assisting with, balancing things out. And, that's what I'm saying, assisting with balancing the energies out. The temperance also talks about patience. I'm seeing the choice or decision that you made in regards to this individual. It's like you will be very patient with making your choice or decision, what you was going to do next with this individual. Now I'm seeing it, and like I stated, you block this person out. There's energy you standing up for yourself, maintaining some sort of control. All right. And it seems like this person is experiencing an energy of feeling unwelcome and being left out. They almost like energy of this person possibly feel like they're being abandoned. Okay. It seems like they're not welcoming of the changes. Okay. What's going on? Yeah, they're not welcoming of the changes. All right. It's like an energy of them not knowing what to do because you are in that you have this inner strength. It's like you have this energy, this power, this strength that you never exuded before. Somebody could possibly have earth in their chart. Taurus can be significant. What could be Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. But I'm definitely seeing energy, somebody like manifesting. There's energy of manifestation of security, stability, and judgment being called on the whole situation. So it seems like y'all focusing on the future, focusing on stability, security, and things like that, manifesting and bringing that in, all right? And making choices to better your life. And you have this person in the Nine of Swords sitting over here with the Most High going through a fucking ego and pride death. They not knowing what to do. They going through this secretly. They don't even want anyone to know that they down bad. Powdered murk. Can murk energy. You trusted your intuition. There's energy of listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition, especially in regards to your directions, which direction you would go. And it looked like you guys made the right choice. Okay, there's definitely an energy of celebration here, you guys. We got the Ace of Swords out here. You made the right choice. I can see that. It was like, congratulations. Anything else? Anything else? Look, didn't I say congratulations? I know that's right. You did exactly what you were supposed to do. You coming out as the star. Okay, I'm seeing star energy out here, you guys. There's an energy of you guys being very inspirational to other people, whether people understand it or not, whether this is a masculine or feminine energy. Children look up to us. I don't know if you have children with this person and the things that they may have seen, but spirit wanted me to say that children have been watching, or children look up to the adults, especially if you stand up for yourself. They see when you're being treated wrong. They see when you're unhappy. And they also see when you leave, when you take your energy and power back and stand in that power. Okay? I'm seeing somebody in regret. Somebody trying to extend some sort of offer out of regret. You see that cup over there? Wanting to come back in, wanting to apologize, make things right. There's definitely a missed opportunity. There's no coming back. Okay, this person is definitely experiencing some sort of loss, financial loss, hardship, and bad luck. They got burdens that they need to carry. And I feel like they might be trying to get out of the situation, and try to utilize love or something like that. Yeah, this is somebody from the past with the Six of Cups. Anything else? Yeah, they didn't think that, it was gonna come back and bite them in the ass. So it's not even about so much of you finding out. They just didn't know that you was gonna take your power and energy back. It's not, it's how you carried it. You get what I'm saying? Because it seems like whoever you are, you moved away. You were already planning and healing and do whatever you need to do. And it seems like there's an energy of you withdrawing your energy and just leaving. This person self-sabotaged the connection that you guys were in. That's what I'm seeing here, because you got the King of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, and now they're in this energy of like can't sleep, anxiety, stress, regret, because they got to sit in that situation because they're going through ego death. Oh Lord, the world is around them is collapsing because Lord forbid they have to learn a fucking lesson that they never had to learn before. We all been there. Look, and then they don't like that they also you didn't sever ties with them. So there's no help here for them. Only they can help themselves out of the situation as you continue to move forward and succeed. All right? Because I'm seeing energy you having recognition. You may obtain some sort of recognition. There's energy of you triumphing without them. Okay? Yeah. It's like you got yourself out of a situation that you possibly felt like you was trapped in, or they possibly wanted you to be trapped in, or maybe they tried to talk about you, which they thought you were trapped in. That might be the situation. They possibly felt they tried to possibly keep you trapped in a situation, and you released this. You learned the lesson. I'm seeing you view things from a different perspective. You were able to heal yourself and see this person exactly for who they are and moving forward. 1221 could definitely be significant. I'm definitely seeing a closing to the cycle. There's no coming back. Clarifying the three of swords is the world. That's it. It's over. It's done. It's no coming back. It's no redo. It's no start over. Now it's time for them to learn their lesson. You continue on and start a new journey in your life. That's what I'm seeing here. Y'all have a good one. Can't keep going back to what I used to know.